good morning students. Today I am going to discuss the following topics: sequence, example of sequence. Under example of sequence I will discuss about list. After that I will discuss range function, then membership operator. Under the membership operator I will discuss in and not in. Both are membership operators. After that, I will discuss for loop. Now let's talk about sequence. Sequence allows users to store multiple values bound together and referred by a single name. There are many examples of sequence like list, tuple, string, dictionary. Let's talk about list. List is a sequence which contains comma separated values written within square brackets. You can see many examples like list 1 is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5. All these are written within square brackets separated by comma. So what are the containing elements? Containing elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The second example is tuple 1, which is containing 4, 5, 6, 7. Tuples are written within parentheses. The containing element in tuple is 4, 5, 6, 7. There is another sequence, string 1 equal to good. The containing elements are G, O, O, D. Now I am going to talk about range function. Range function actually generates a list. What is a list? Actually, list is a comma separated values written within a square brackets. How will you use range function in your program? First of all, you will write range in lowercase. After that, you will start parenthesis. Then you will write the lower limit, then comma, then upper limit, then close parenthesis. You must take care that lower limit and upper limit must be integers. I have taken three examples of range function. In first example, I have started range function, and within range function there is only one argument, that is 5. So what it will produce? It will produce a list containing 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. As in this example, you have not given the lower limit, you have given only upper limit. So it will by default take the lower limit as a 0. That's why it is generating 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And one thing you must see that the upper limit is not included. As I had given 5, but 5 has not been included in the list. The range function excludes the upper limit. In second example, I have written range 0, 5. Here 0 is the lower limit and 5 is the upper limit. So it will produce a list as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be noted that lower limit is included but upper limit is excluded, as I have discussed in example 1 also. In third example, I have written range 0, 10, 2. So 0 is the lower limit, 10 is the upper limit and 2 is the step value. So it will first produce 0. After that it will add 2 to the lower limit. Then it will produce 2. After that it will again increase the value by 2. Then it will print 4. Again it will increase by 2. Then it will become 6. Again it will increase by 2. Then it will become 8. And again it will increase by 2. Then it will become 10. But as you can see that 10 is the upper limit. So as I have already told you that upper limit is excluded. That's why it will exclude 10. So it will not print 10. Hence the final list will be 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now I am going to discuss about membership operator. Membership operator is used to check whether a value is present in the sequence or not. Depending on the availability of the value in the sequence, it returns either true or false. There are two membership operator. First in, second not in. In operator returns true if it will find the value in the sequence. If it will not find the value in the sequence, it will return false. Not in works just opposite to in. It returns true if it does not find the value in the sequence. Let's do practical on membership operator. For that I am taking a variable str1 which is equal to, I am taking a string, the name of the string is Python. I will use print function. I will write print py. I am using in membership operator which returns true if it finds the value in the sequence and it returns false when it does not find the value in the sequence. So I have written print py in str1. Let me execute. See, it is giving you true. It means the in membership operator has found this py in the sequence str1. As you can clearly see that py is present. Now I am going to check another value, print gr in str1. Let me execute this code. See, I am getting false because gr is not present in the sequence. Now I am going to use second membership operator, that is not in. For that I will write print. After that I will write py, then not in str1. Let's execute this code. I am getting false. As you can see that py is present in the sequence, however it is giving false. Why it is giving false? Because I am using not in membership operator. It returns false if it finds the value in the sequence. Let's check another value like rt. Let's execute this code. See, I am getting true. As rt is not present in Python, however it is giving true because not in membership operator returns true when it does not find the value in the sequence. Let's talk about for loop. The for loop in Python iterates or repeats over some items or values in a sequence. Let's talk about syntax of for loop. First of all, you will write for, after that iterating variable, after that any one of the membership operator in or not in, and after that the name of sequence or the whole sequence itself. After that you will put colon sign, and after that you will write all the statements. Now let's discuss the working of for loop with the help of flowchart. As you can see on the screen, this is the flowchart of for loop in Python. As the program enters into the for loop, it will check whether item is present in the sequence. If that item is present in the sequence, it will execute the statements written after for loop. After that it will again check for the items in the sequence. If it is found, it will again execute the statement, and it will repeat the same process again and again. And when it will not find any item in a sequence, then it will come out of the loop. Let's discuss some for loop programs. For that I am taking a variable str1 equal to Python. My sequence is str1. After that I will write for, then I will take a iterating variable I, then I will use membership operator in. After that I will write the name of sequence str1, then I will print the value of iterating variable. Let's execute this program. It is printing character by character from the sequence python. Now I am going to discuss another program based on for loop. For iterating variable is I. In I am using range function. I am giving the value 5, then colon. After that print the iterating variable I. Let's execute this program. As you can see that I am getting the values printed from 0 to 4. Now let's modify this program. I am giving initial value as a 2 and final value as a 10. Let's execute this program again. I am getting from 2 to 9. As I have already described that upper limit is excluded. As we have upper limit 10, that's why 10 is excluded. That's why it is printing up to 9. Now I am giving the lower limit as a 5, upper limit as a 25, and the step value is 3. And the step value is 3. Let's execute this program. As you can see that the lower limit has been printed, that is 5, and then 5, and then 3 is added to 5, 8, then again 3 is added to 8, 11, then 14, then 17, then 20, then 23, and after 23, 3 is added, it became 26. That is out of the upper limit. Thank you students, have a nice day.